Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a new episode of the Testing Indicators series, a new series on my channel where I test different trading indicators on thousands of trades using Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities and stocks to discover which ones are the best and at the same time provide you without any clickbait with real results and in-depth statistical analysis about each one, something that you have never seen before on other YouTube channel. Let's get started. So, today's indicator is called the Price Momentum Oscillator, or PMO. As the name suggests, it is a technical analysis tool used to measure the momentum of price movements in a financial asset. It calculates the difference between the short-term and the long-term moving average of closing prices and helps traders identify potential entry signals, reversals, and the strength of the momentum. The PMO is formed by this blue line, which is called PMO, and by this orange one, which is the signal line. Usually, a long signal appears when the PMO line crosses above the signal 1, and the short signal appears in the opposite condition. Simple as that. In addition, you can also use this indicator as a filter indicator to confirm entry signals from other indicators. On the TradingView chart, this indicator is free to use. Simply click on the Indicators tab, search for Price Momentum Oscillator, and you can use this one provided by this trader. You will just need to have a free account to use it. And by the way, for those new to this platform, by creating a new account with the link that is on the description, you will get a $30 bonus to use on the platform, which is a good bonus I wish I had when I created my account 5 years ago. And one more thing, with the default settings, this indicator gives too many signals, and so for this video I will use the settings 52, 35 and 18, which will turn it a little smoother and more accurate. So, to understand if this indicator works properly or not, you need to backtest it, and for that you should go back in time as far as you can and check every signal, taking notes of the outcome. But as you can imagine, this is a highly exhausting process that will take you some weeks or months to perform, especially if you want to do it in a lot of different assets and markets. But what if I told you that there is a way to conduct that exhausting backtesting process on 1,000 or even 100,000 trades in just 1 second and with all the proven results? Yes, that's right, and I will show you how. To conduct all the backtests from the indicators presented in this new series, I created a special trading bot that gives us the possibility of quickly testing any indicator we want in seconds and with proven and real results. In the last episode, I had 12 indicators available to test, and now I have 3 new ones: the PMO, the linear regression slope histogram, and the zero-line volatility quality histogram. As you can see, with this amazing tool, I just need to select the indicator I would like to test, and in 1 second I have all the results on my chart. And if you would like to test it on other data samples with other risk management conditions or even with different settings, you just need to tell the bot what to do, and again in seconds you will have all the updated results on your charts. And the best part, from week to week new indicators are added to this special trading tool. In a few minutes I will tell you how you can access and use this tool as well. And so, to carry out a backtest to the PMO, I will use the same conditions I used to test the other indicators from this series. For every indicator, I will backtest it in 3 different timeframes: the 30-minute, the 1 hour and the daily one. Then, on every time frame, I will use the data sample from 2022 and 2023 with all the available trading sessions with an efficient and diverse portfolio of assets from different markets, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock, being the data sources the most used ones. I will present you the results of every asset individually and also together, because for every backtest I will create a trading journal with all the trades given by the indicator in the 3 different timeframes. The risk management will also be the same one I explained in the first episode of this series, and to filter losing signals from the tested indicators, I will always use a 200 period exponential moving average to only take trades that are in the same direction as the overall trend. And so these are our conditions. Let's then start the analysis of the price momentum oscillator. After inserting the trading bot on my chart, I can quickly choose the PMO, insert the specific settings I told you about, so 52, 35 and 18, and you already know that I'm going to use the 200 period exponential moving average as a filter indicator, and so I will check this option here. As you can see, all the backtesting conditions are the ones I have defined, and the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the strategy tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. So while you watch the backtest being carried out, imagine saving hours of time and energy by testing hundreds of indicators in just seconds across any market with proven results. That will be life-changing, right? With full access to this trading bot for a lifetime and weekly updates available through my Patreon, you can take your trading game to the next level. Simply click on the shopping option to find more information and important links, but don't wait too long. As new indicators are added every week, the value of this tool will only increase. While its current price is symbolic, similar tools on other websites can cost thousands of dollars. Plus, with new indicators added weekly, you are investing in a tool that will continue to grow in value. By the end of the year, it will feature hundreds of different indicators for you to explore. Seize this opportunity and get your access now before it's too late. So, after inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the PMO indicator on the 30-minute time frame, here on the 1-hour one, and next to it on the daily time frame. And overall, the results look very good. But let's analyze each time frame more carefully. In the 30-minute one, after almost 4,000 trades, it achieved a win rate of 51.40% and a net profit of 321%. Here you can check other stats and the results of every single asset, and by looking at the equity chart, we can verify that in this time frame, the indicator in these conditions is fairly consistent. Of course, you can say that it had a big drawdown here, but this is something that can be solved by using a filter or a volume indicator. Then, in the 1-hour time frame, the results look even better. After almost 2,000 trades, this indicator achieved a win rate of about 51.93% and a net profit of 211%. Again, here you can check other stats and the results of every single asset, and the equity curve is again highly consistent and efficient for a simple strategy like this one, with a smaller average drawdown. Finally, on the daily time frame, after 86 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 51.16% and a small net profit of 5.38%, so a break-even result that can also be noticed when looking at the equity curve. So overall, the PMO in these conditions proved that it is highly consistent, profitable, and has a great potential to be a good entry trigger indicator for a full trading system. For example, by adding a good volume indicator like the bright filter and a filter indicator like the untrend price DPO, I believe we can create an efficient strategy. In our ranking sheet, the PMO will be our new top 1 indicator, and so it will be placed at the top of the table. If you'd like to access this ranking sheet Excel, you can do it for free. The link is in the description. Also, if you think you have an indicator that can beat the PMO, you can share it with me in the comments or on my free Discord community, and probably you will see it in a future episode of this series. So do not forget to subscribe to don't miss any video from this series. And for those who'd like to work with me on a special project, from creating custom strategies to carrying out statistical and robustness studies, you can find all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.